Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this glam Kriti Sanon makeup look. I think this is just my go-to look. It looks so sophisticated, so elegant and very glam at the same time. So yeah, let's just quickly get on with this look. Let's start with something that nobody talks about, and that is colored lenses. A lot of celebs look great because they wear lenses, so we'll also start the entire process by wearing lenses. So do you want to know what's new? These are these amazing Aquacolor Premium Colored contact lenses. They come in a wide range of natural looking shades and are super comfortable. Today I'm feeling a little bit extra, so I'm going with these beautiful walnut brown shade. Guys, these are so easy to wear and these are super comfortable. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing something in my eyes. So if you want to try them out, you can buy them from the nearest Lenskart store or just download the app and get them. Use my coupon code Sushmita15 to enjoy an extra discount. Definitely worth it. Okay guys, so right now I'll just start with my base. For my base, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Primer and I'll just apply it all over my face. Next, for the foundation, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And then with this, I'm going to mix the K-Beauty Primer Drops. Guys, everything will be listed in the description box, so do check it out. I'm just going to mix it because if I apply Estee Lauder on its own, it just, my skin becomes extremely dry. And then I'm just going to blend it. Next, for my concealer, I'm going to use the Sugar Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. It just fell down from my hands one day and then it broke. Just going to take a little bit and then blend it. It covers my dark circles perfectly. And then just blend the sides. And then I'll also apply a little bit on top of my eyelids to get a clean canvas before I can start off with my eyeshadow. Set my base, I'm going to use the K-Beauty Loose Powder. And this is their banana powder, so I'm just gonna apply it in like very less quantity. I just need to make sure that it doesn't look cakey, so I just need to apply it in the lightest amount. Also, don't forget to powder the top of the eyelids or else the eyeshadows won't blend really well. So now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. I just twisted this because I find it easier. I just like this angle more. I find it more comfortable. And I'm just going to fill in any gap. I think I'm just gonna go with the contour, blush and highlight first. For that, I am gonna use the Sugar Contour De-Force Face Palette. And this is in the shade Subtle Summit. I'm gonna use the contour and the blush from this palette. I'm just gonna start from the edge of my ear and then slowly tap the product in and create this shadow. I like my makeup to look very natural, so I use as less product as possible. If your skin is showing through your makeup, then that's a great makeup done there. And I'm also going to contour my jawline and also my nose today. And then I am just going to use the blush and I'm going to place the blush on the sides of my cheeks today just to get that lifted look. And then I'm also going to take it up here on the temples and then blend it. I know you guys are waiting for my eye look, so now I'm going to start. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. This is from K-Beauty. It's the Wild and Free eyeshadow palette. And I really enjoy using all the shades because not only are they smooth, they're very pigmented as well. The first color I'm going to use is this one on my crease to create a little bit of depth in my eyes. Take less at a time and then build if you need more. And I'm also going to take this and apply it on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this beautiful bronze shade right here. So pigmented and it looks beautiful. I'm going to use this shade with a flat shader brush and I'm just going to apply it on top of my eyelids. This eye makeup is extremely easy and it looks beautiful, sophisticated, elegant, especially with the lens that I'm wearing. The brush is actually not giving me that much pigment, so I'm going to use my fingers for this. I'm going to take my finger and just take this color and apply it on my eyelids. It gives so much more pigment than the brush. I'm also going to apply the same shade on my lower lash line. I'm going to use this Mama Earth Woody Brown Kajal. I'm going to apply it on top of my eyelids. I feel like she also has a little bit of pink on her lower lash line. So I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette and I am going to use this pink shade and apply it on my lower lash line just a little bit. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. I love this mascara because it just gives a very natural lift to the lashes. Okay, now I am also going to apply it on my lower lash line. Eye look is done. Next, I'm going to highlight my face. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold Highlighter. I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, okay, my nose, and a little bit on my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm also going to take this highlighter and just highlight the inner corners of my eyes and just take it up 1/3 of my eyelids, and I'm also going to put it on my waterline like a little bit. I'm just going to take this brown and put a little bit on the lash line, not too much, and also on top of the brown kajal just to smoke it out a little bit. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone area. Now for the lips, I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Choco Nude. This is my favorite nude lip liner. Now I'm going to take this Faces Canada Ultime Pro Intense Matte Lips. This is in the shade Hazel. And I'm just lightly going to put it all over my lips. Okay guys, that is pretty much it. And here's the final look inspired by Kriti Sanon's Glam look. And if you really want to take it to the next level, then pair this look with these lenses. And now you're all set to steal the show. I hope you enjoyed watching this and found it helpful. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.